Hey home sellers, my name is Tasia with Ohio Property Group, and we are giving away a free platinum listing package during our spring home prep challenge. So welcome to day one. Ohio's finally decided to give us some spring weather, which means it's time for spring cleaning, especially if you plan to get your home on the market soon. Every day of the next 10 days, you can join me on any of our socials, which will be linked in the description, as I go through our Living to Listing digital course, which is designed to have your home prepped and ready to sell in just 10 days. All you have to do is follow along and send me progress photos each day of each challenge, and you'll be entered to win a free platinum listing package, which means you can earn up to 10 entries into our platinum listing package drawing, and we'll have other discounts and prizes to give out along the way. So, today, we have 3 checklists that are crucial to prepping your home's exterior. So be sure to comment that you want those checklists below so that you can get the full declutter, clean, and repair replace checklist for the exterior of your home. Now, let's get started.
The first step is decluttering, but I'm not actually selling my house, so I don't have a big need to declutter outside areas. However, when you start that process, you're going to use 3 filters. The first is want it/need it now. That means it stays. The second is want it/don't need it now, which means it gets pre-moved or stored. The third is don't want it/don't need it, which means it needs to be thrown out, sold, or donated. Remember, this is outside only. We will work on decluttering inside on day 4. Outside cleaning is really more like light landscaping and yard work. We want to get the exterior looking great since it's the first listing photo and the first things buyers see when they drive up. Remember, you can get the full list of cleaning, declutter, and repair checklists by commenting I'm in below. But some of the items you need to do today are clean your windows inside and out, clean doors and entryways of dirt and/or cobwebs, weed landscape beds and gardens, and edge all your concrete because it makes a huge visual difference. The key takeaway here is anything that looks like work is a turnoff for potential buyers. First impressions matter. Finally, you may need to make some repairs like cleaning and securing gutters, repairing, staining, and/or painting exterior doors and handrails, or sealing any gaps or cracks in concrete areas. These small changes can make a big difference during your showings and future inspections, so try to look at your home's exterior through the lens of a future buyer who has never been there before. Or you can comment I'm in below to get our full repair checklist as well as the declutter and cleaning checklist for free today, straight from our Living to Listing digital course.
Okay, you finished day 1 of the Spring Home Prep Challenge. Great job! Remember, make sure you message us your after photos. It can be just one photo, and it can be your 3 filter piles, your sparkling windows, your de-weeded landscape, or really anything off of the checklist that you commented down below to get. And you'll be entered to win a free platinum listing package, which is a $997 value that saves our sellers an average of $11,000 on their home sale. So you don't want to miss saving another grand on top of that. You can also get full access to the Living to Listing course at any time if you're not quite ready to follow along with this challenge yet by enrolling at livingtolisting.com. Okay, well, I will see you all tomorrow for day 2.